As dawn breaks over Qadian, preparations begin to take their final shape. Carpets are carefully laid, electrical systems are tested, sound equipment is installed, and orderly rows of seating and security fencing rise steadily across the site. With Jalsa Salana Qadian 2025 approaching, the pace of preparations intensifies. From early morning until late at night, volunteers remain engaged in their assigned duties, serving with dedication and quiet resolve.
By the grace of Allah, Jalsa Salana Qadian is again being held at Qadian on 26th, 27th and 28th December. Preparations for the Jalsa Salana Qadian begin as soon as Huzur Anwar Ayyadahullahu Ta'ala bin Asil Aziz approved the dates for Jalsa Salana. Duties for the preparation of Jalsa Salana Qadian are distributed among different departments. Those departments work throughout the year, and when the dates for Jalsa Salana Qadian come closer, they work day and night to make the necessary arrangements and preparations for the Jalsa Salana.
Accommodation arrangements are being prepared to ensure the comfort and convenience of the guests of the promised Messiah alayhi salatu wasalam arriving from across India and abroad.
This year, a large number of guests are expected to attend the Jalsa Salana Qadian. Reception department is actively preparing to welcome them and receive them on the arrival in different stations and guide them to their respective accommodations.
Along with accommodation, this year, 4 dining halls have been prepared at different locations across Qadian. These dining halls will facilitate the serving of meals for guests, including breakfast and dinner, in a systematic and orderly environment. Multiple Langar Khana units are operating simultaneously to meet the requirements of Jalsa Salana. The central venue continues to be Bustan-e Ahmad, where all major Jalsa arrangements are organized at one location. From the main Jalsa Gah to administrative offices, translation units, and service departments, every section is positioned for smooth coordination. Temporary control rooms have been established to oversee operations. MTA transmission and translation teams are actively preparing their setups to ensure uninterrupted coverage. By the grace of Allah, comprehensive preparations are underway at the Jalsa Gah. Multiple operational systems are working simultaneously to finalize arrangements. Sound systems and connectivity are being carefully installed and tested to ensure clear audio across the entire Jalsa Gah.
The translation booths are being set up to facilitate the real-time translation of Jalsa proceedings. Different international and national languages will be available for those guests who cannot understand Urdu, so that they can also benefit from the proceedings of Jalsa Salana.
The main stage, which serves as the central focal point of the Jalsa, is also being prepared. The Khidmat-e-Khalq department plays a vital role during preparations, coordinating security, medical support, and emergency readiness in collaboration with other departments. Security arrangements have been carefully planned across the Jalsa Gah as well as at important and holy places in Qadian. Volunteers are deployed to maintain vigilance, manage movement, and ensure a peaceful and secure environment for all guests. As guests begin to arrive in Qadian, many take the opportunity to visit its blessed and historic sites. The atmosphere is marked by peace, prayer, and reflection, an experience deeply connected to the spiritual heritage of this town. As part of the arrangements for Jalsa Salana Qadian, 5 exhibitions have been organized to provide visitors with educational and spiritual insight. A special highlight of this year's Jalsa is the introduction of a new exhibition titled Al-Mujib Exhibition, which has been arranged to encourage reflection and understanding on the existence of God through a structured presentation. As preparations near completion, the spirit of unity becomes increasingly visible. Qadian stands ready once again to host Jalsa Salana, a gathering rooted in faith, discipline, and the message of peace.